Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's your name?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it's beautiful. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. And you?
I come here every weekend.
Really? What do you do here?
I walk and watch birds. And you?
I like to read books. Here.
That's nice. What book do you read?
Today, I read a funny story.
I like funny stories too.
Do you want to sit on the bench?
Yes, let's sit.
Look, there is a squirrel.
Oh, it's so cute.
I like squirrels. They are funny.
Me too.
I like talking with you.
Me too. Let's meet again.
Yes, see you next weekend.
Bye.
Bye.